Every 1,000 miles or every 1,600 kilometers, you must grease all the grease nipples around your bike. For example, here on the front brake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's plenty more. And it's my favorite, lubrication. Who doesn't like a good lubrication? So, if you come in here, the first thing, it's very important, is over your bike is a multitude of grease nipples. I'm sure there's someone laughing out there about that as well. So, come in here, you need to have one of these, a grease gun. Connect your grease gun, put it on, and then you squeeze. And as you can see, out comes the grease. And you do that over every grease nipple on the bike, and you want to do that at least every 1,000 kilometers. In the list, the ultimate list that many of you have downloaded, it actually tells you exactly what it is in there. So, and there's ones, on the back of the seat posts, there's ones on the rear brake, there's ones, all over the bike. So find them all and make sure you grease them. It's super important because otherwise you're going to get excessive wear, especially in the bushings of the brake, the bushing inside your seat, the bushings on the rear brake, your springs. Everything will wear a lot quicker if you don't properly lubricate it. The next thing is lubricating moving parts on your bike. So for instance here, I've got my, shifter lever. So, spraying in here with kind of like a multi-spray or like a WD-40 or something, and just spraying on all these points right here where there's movement, I even do it like in here, especially if I'm, been riding in the rain and stuff like that. Make sure that all these moving parts, up and down the spring I do, just spray them. And it will make everything last a lot longer. And the last thing when it comes to lubrication is your chains. Now inside here I have a belt, but if I didn't have a belt, here you've got an inspection cover, which you can remove that, and then you can get to your primary chain, and then you have your rear chain. And nowadays you have grease, originally they would use just regular 50 oil for your chains, but that just basically comes straight off. So nowadays, you can get chain grease, which is, kind of like a foam. And if you get in there, you can see, and it's sticky. And it will stick to that chain. And make sure you do that. And obviously, if you've been riding in dusty, dirty conditions, do it more often. But just work your way around the chain and get it all greased. And again, as I say, also for your primary chain. So, to finish off, lubrication, super important. It makes all your moving parts last a lot longer. Don't neglect them, otherwise it's going to cost you in the end.